Hi there, and welcome to this short presentation of our project. Have you ever used one of these cards? Visa and MasterCard is some of the leading companies when it comes to payment solution today. And did you know that every time you or any other customer swipes their card to pay for something, the merchant gets charged 1 to 4% on every single transaction? Can you now imagine how much money they make from transactions happening all around the world? I'm going to show you one more system that allows for this to happen, where you can earn money from transactions being done by customers. Today, a lot of merchants have a membership, and those memberships exist to create loyalty. And if we are loyal customers to the merchant, they will usually provide us with benefits and special offers. A challenge for a customer today is that there are thousands of memberships, and frankly, it's getting a bit confusing. So I want to show you an idea that was created in 2003 that makes it easier for you as a customer. Introducing Cashback World. Our goal is to make one simple membership for all your needs. With the Cashback card, you will receive up to 5% cashback and also shopping points when you buy something from one of our partners. You will no longer have to collect stickers and stars, but will receive cashback to your bank account instead. Today, millions of customers are currently saving money on daily purchases through Cashback World. But if you want, you can not only save money, but you can also earn money from this system. So imagine when others are doing their daily purchases, you can also earn money from it. Introducing Lyconet. Lyconet is the sales force of Cashback World. As a Lyconet marketer, our job is to connect people to merchants through the cashback system. Now you can get paid on an amount of purchases being done in your personal shopping network. So the more shopping you create, the more you make. You can now grow your shopping network as big as you want with marketers, customers, and merchants. Every time someone in your shopping networks purchases something, points are generated for your career. And the more points you have, the higher level and the more income you'll get. So, if you're interested, get back to the person who sent you this video and tell them if you want to become a free customer and save money, or if you want to earn money as well. And they will guide you to the next step. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon on one of our huge business events.